I'm making a video to highlight this wonderful vintage Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage. This one's different than most in that it has the enamel base floral design in absolutely excellent condition. I don't see any chips or losses to any of the scenes. And the reason why this is different than most is that the bird has the wire loop feet. So this is one of the older models with the brass bird. Mechanism has the wooden leather bellows. And typically the enamel bases are ones that you would see made later rather than earlier. This would date to the 1950s, probably the early 1950s. I fully serviced everything so it plays exactly as it should. Let's hear it play. I'm going to start off on the pause feature. And if you notice, the pause feature works perfectly. I'm going to move to continuous. The bird song is loud and clear, hitting all the proper oscillating notes, yet the mechanism runs quietly. The automation is perfect as well. Beak opens and closes, tail flaps, and the head rotates left to right. A very strong singer. Absolutely excellent, excellent condition. I'm going to turn this off. Bear with me. And then it winds from the bottom, as such. In summary, a vintage early 1950s Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage with an uncommon enamel base floral design in just absolutely wonderful condition. Take care.